The Supreme Court is the most powerful court in the United States. It is at the top of the judicial branch. The judicial branch interprets the laws of the country. The Supreme Court makes sure the Constitution is followed. 9 justices serve on the Supreme Court. They are appointed for life. This means they have their jobs for as long as they choose. Lifetime appointments help the justices be impartial. They don't have to worry about being re-elected. The Supreme Court's decisions impact everyone in the country. They rule on many important issues. These include civil rights, criminal justice, and healthcare. Their decisions set precedents. These precedents guide lower courts in the future. The Supreme Court plays a vital role in the U.S. government. It ensures that laws are constitutional. It protects the rights of all citizens. Being nominated to the Supreme Court is a very big deal. The President of the United States nominates someone for the job. This often happens when there is an opening. A justice might retire or pass away. The Senate holds hearings on the nominee. Senators ask the nominee many questions. They want to understand the nominee's judicial philosophy. They also look for any potential conflicts of interest. The Senate then votes on whether to confirm the nominee. They need a majority vote. If confirmed, the nominee becomes a Supreme Court justice. This process is very thorough. It is designed to select the most qualified individuals. Justices have a profound impact on the country. Their decisions shape the interpretation of the law for generations. Most cases start in lower courts. Someone might appeal a decision. They think the law wasn't applied correctly. They hope a higher court will overturn the decision. The Supreme Court receives thousands of appeals every year. The justices only choose to hear a small number of these cases. They look for cases with national significance. They may choose cases that address conflicting interpretations of the law. If the court agrees to hear a case, the lawyers prepare written arguments. These are called briefs. They present these arguments to the justices. The justices also hear oral arguments from the lawyers. This process is very selective. The Supreme Court only hears the most important cases. Their decisions have a broad impact on the law and society. After hearing the arguments, the justices meet in private. This is called a conference. They discuss the case and vote on a decision. The majority vote determines the outcome of the case. One justice in the majority writes the court's opinion. This opinion explains the reasoning behind the decision. Justices who disagree with the majority can write dissenting opinions. These explain why they disagree. The Supreme Court's decisions are final. They can only be overturned by a constitutional amendment or by the court itself. The decisions have a lasting impact on the interpretation of the law. The decision-making process of the Supreme Court is deliberative and impactful. It reflects the gravity of the issues they consider. Their decisions shape the legal landscape of the United States.